Hey Dsoleil babes, it's your girl T, and I am welcoming you to another beat face soft glam tutorial. Okay, if you are new, welcome. My name is T. I share this channel with my twin sister Tay, and we are the Dsoleil twins. Our hair content is called Tresses by Twins here on this channel as well. But all my returning babes, hey girly, what's going on? I was going to give y'all my soft glam video, makeup video from yesterday when I did this hair install. If you like the hair details, check the video before this one. But I was like, why give them that when I could switch it up on y'all? We got a couple weeks left of summer, and why not do something bold? Bold, baby, bold. Like scalping the freak out of this synthetic wig and then giving you a bold eye look. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video today. I won't let it take too long. And if you like what you see here, please make sure you give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. There's so much more content coming in store for you guys, and I really hope you all are going to follow us on this journey as we on the road to 5K. Let's get it. So this is going to be the star of the show today, right here. And let's just hope we like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed through the brows because we pretty much see my brow routine already. I'm going to speed through the brows, and I'm going to get right over to the eyes, and we'll pick. All right, y'all, I'm back. Now we're going to jump right into the eyes. So let's go. I didn't set my lid. I wonder if I should. I kind of want the color to be really pigmented. I'll just set it so it doesn't crease. Okay. I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. This is number 307. Pat Zane all over the lid. Oh, y'all, look at that. Okay, I'm trying to wonder if I should wet my brush. Let me just spray it a little bit. Now that I did both eyes, I was like, just do both eyes first in case it gets patchy. But we're gonna just wet the brush. I could use Morphe, but I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible because I don't want to mist. I kind of just wanted to spray directly on what I wanted on. This reminds me of the ColourPop Shock Shadows. I'm not sure if that did like a major difference. I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, and this is the Luxe Petite Crease Brush by Jessup. This is 231, and I'm just gonna blend this out. That's cute. Okay, now I'm gonna take, I want like a orangish brown. This looks yellow on camera, but it's orange. Let me not use that. I'm gonna go into, the Black Radiance palette, light to medium, and I'm gonna use these two shades right here with that same pink brush, and I'm gonna put everything, I'm gonna tap this right onto that pink, right onto it, like right there. I like these two. One is the soft definer brush 227, one is the soft crease brush. I'm gonna do the soft crease brush, and again I'm gonna just try to keep everything even. Okay. Now to deepen that up, so I'm gonna go in with my Warrior 2 by Juvia's, and I'm gonna go into Yoded, and I'm gonna smoke that up some more. Alright, I'm sorry y'all. If I had to just choose a brown, I probably would just use the Smackaroons by Beauty Bakery instead of Yoded. I don't know if it's that available, but I'm just not seeing much color payoff. So I'm just going to go right in here. I got a feeling this is going to do what I want this to do. Okay, instantly yes. Yikes, went a little deep. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M158 brush, the angled flat brush. Showata right here. I know y'all hear Tuda always. Y'all hear Tuda always. That pit bull don't play. Tuda! That pit bull don't play. Stop playing with my pit bull. If y'all seen Tuda in previous videos, you know she this big.
What? How you scared? This is your house, Jasmine. You supposed to buck up. Shit, what I want? What I want to do? Damn.
She don't want to do nothing. Please like, comment, and subscribe so I can move into a bigger house so my dog, y'all don't hear my dog every video. I'm just going back in with 231. I put some more pink on there, and I'm just going to bring the pink a little higher now that I can see over the lashes. Now that I can see with the lashes on, excuse me. I'm going into Kafuru, which is this one right here. This is the last shade. We're going into last shade. Alright y'all, that's foundation. That was Warm Sand, Born This Way. So now in with our Huda Beauty Toasted Almond 20G and our Real Techniques 421 brush for concealing. Contour, I'm using Butterscotch and the Sephora 47 brush. Take a foundation brush and just blend over that harsh line. All right, do y'all see how this brush is made? Is angled. I got this tip from my sister. I saw her do this in her video. She like pulled the brush up instead of going down with that deeper color. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just pulling it up. Just wiping the excess off with on a paper towel. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna go ahead and set the face. Y'all know I'm using my trusted Laura Mercier. We have all the Beauty Bakery flower powders, and I don't know when I'm gonna put them to use, but until then, Laura Mercier. So same trick, take that off. I do not bake, or maybe I don't know how to bake, but I don't bake my skin. I don't do it. I need as little flashback as possible. So that little trick there, this is a dry beauty blender. I know, sue me, I like it. Dry beauty blender. Do y'all remember when Aaliyah J told the girls that she was using a dry beauty blender and they like ate her alive? Y'all like ate that girl alive. Y'all know that's our it girl. Y'all ate that girl alive. And I really like this dry beauty blender set in my under eyes. So, hey, I guess y'all gonna chew me up too. All right, let's set the contour areas with the light to medium palette, and I go in with the Sculpt shade in the center, and sometimes I mix the two. Sometimes. I'm gonna take this angled, I know this is a Black Radiance brush, I think. I just can't tell. And then we're gonna flick upward, because again, this is an angled brush. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I need to be looking at y'all. We're gonna just flip upward, because this is an angled brush. I could tell it's a little bit more over here than over here, but I'm not gonna try to even them out and make it equally as harsh. Now I'm gonna go into my nose contour using the Beauty Bakery Snackaroons bronzer, Don't Give a Sip. I'm gonna use the Jessup 223 Petite Eye Blender. Oh no, I tapped it off and I tapped it on a paper towel, okay? So again, we start at the top, because where you start is where most of the color is gonna be deposited. And then even if you can see nothing, I'm gonna drag it down the side of my nose. And same on this side. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like I see something, so I'm just gonna stop there. Now I'm gonna set my overall face with my amazing Real Techniques 201 brush and the Makeup Forever Y425 face powder. Now I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and then we're gonna do the under eye area, and then we're gonna do blusher and highlight and lips, and we are done. I'm gonna go back into those same couple of colors. So first I'm going in with my pink Saharan palette and that Real Techniques 307 brush again. First I'm gonna take what's left on it. Let's see what's left. Oh my god, y'all, I'm gonna stop right there. Now I actually want to take some orange. I know it's just I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna take some orange. This is Toby. Y'all might get color looks out of me more often. Like the comment, like the comment, like the comment, like the video, man. Y'all spam, you got this in the comments. This eye I want the water. Now I'm just really liking this gold in here. I'm gonna take Lila on the brow bone. Do I need a little gold in the inner corner, y'all? Or is that doing a little too much? Y'all already know we doing Candy by Makeup Revolution and Hairstyle Mango Butter Gloss. I know y'all like, girl, you better not ruin this makeup. I told y'all this is why I'm learning to do my own makeup. Cause makeup artists don't be wanting to deal with me. Where I've been, they be trying to beat my, like, you know, you can't do all that by my eyes and stuff. So, like, you gotta trust people to really be in your face, you know what I'm saying? And they come and they doing all of that. And they get heavier. You gonna have to cut that out. Okay. All right, y'all, let's do blush and highlighter, and we're done. And I'm going for
Just that orange.
Zama. My sister cannot stand it. I like a little mixture.
Yeah, no. Tap any type of one.